3, 2, 1.
What's up, everyone? Dan here, Crypto Capital Venture, March 3rd, 2018. I hope you're having a great weekend. It's Saturday. My girlfriend is on her way probably right now. It's her birthday weekend, so I need to make this a short, sweet, and simple video, which I will do. I want to talk about Litecoin, the price action, which is pretty much kind of sideways. Some people are bored out there. I see some comments. I see some comments, people saying Litecoin is a terrible crypto because it's kind of boring and it doesn't do anything. Which I don't even get that idea and that sentiment. But that's all good. It is trading sideways. And we can really just look at TradingView, their technical analysis summary. It really says it all. I mean, it says buy. I don't really know how else to cover the TA here. So I think TradingView does a good job, so I'll leave it there. Have an awesome weekend. I'll see you in the next video, and God bless. Come on now, you did not think I was serious. Although that would have been a nice, short, sweet video. I would have saved you a lot of time. But I do want to talk about a couple things. We can really just look at Litecoin on the daily. You can see the RSI trading nicely, right around 50, 50 to 60 area, which is fine. I just want to put some context out there that consolidation is a good thing. Consolidation is healthy, and that's kind of what we're doing right now. And if you look back, you can look at the yearly on Litecoin, and you can see after these swings up and then these corrections, you see consolidation patterns, right? And then even in those consolidation patterns, you see often these higher lows that happen. And it happens time and time again with Litecoin and other cryptos. But right now, we got out of this double bottom, which was awesome, right? We stayed above the 200 EMA on the daily, and same thing is beginning to happen with these higher lows. And I mean, we can even see it on the 4 hour, which I actually drew some lines a little bit earlier. So these higher lows are forming, and even right now, we're kind of wondering where we're going to go next. Nobody can say. I can't sit here and tell you what's going to happen next. However, I do want to talk about two things. Number one, the downside, right? And two, the possible upside. So on the downside, this previous low right here, I think I'm not going to zoom in on the chart, but it was around 200. And this is on the 4 hour. And in my opinion, I just don't see us. I don't see us really falling below 200. I think there's a good amount of support there, and I don't think it will happen. However, if it does happen, these are kind of my buy zones. And you remember me doing previous videos, and I set up buy zones back here, and back here. I set these buy zones because I love buying these dips when they happen. So if we do have a dip, I want to be ready. I want to have some fiat ready. And this is kind of a lighter buy zone, this 180 to 190 area. And I have support at 170, mainly because it was kind of this area, if you remember back in February, the beginning of February, and then right around mid-February, we kind of failed to break this top here at 170. We finally did break it, everybody remembers. February 13th or whatever that weekend, whenever that was. And I see a lot of support there. So I kind of have a heavier buy zone down here in the 170 to 180. I don't really think we'll get there. If we do, it's going to be a great opportunity to buy if Litecoin does go down to there. So that's just me. And that's the downside. Always want to throw that out there for you. On the upside, really, I would love to see, this is the 4 hour, I'll try and open up a little bit more, but I want to see kind of, right now, where are we? We're at 209, 210. I would love to see this act as kind of a new bottom, a higher high, and just kind of continue this trend up. So what that looks like, nobody knows. We can make a run to 220. We can make a run and break this previous top, at the 230 area. But I'm not even going to sit here and tell you what. But on the upside, I would take it as a good indicator if we kind of bounce off of this area that we're on now. So I don't know. I could be at birthday dinner later on tonight, check the charts real quick, and I can see that we broke down, or I can see we broke up. I don't know what's going to happen, but I like to at least talk about my buy zones down here because I think they're important, especially for all of you that are just like, I want to get my hands on some more Litecoin. So that's that. Other than that, I think Litecoin is looking healthy right now, and you can see it in the daily. I know there's some people out there, some skeptics that are just kind of thinking that we're, not out of the woods yet. That's cool. That's their opinion. Many think that we're going to be revisiting this area, this territory down here. I don't really think so. So I'm not even going to put that out there. But those are my thoughts on Litecoin today, Saturday, March 3rd. I hope you have a great weekend. Like I said, kind of good to step away from the charts, step away from Litecoin, enter the real world that is out there. And I hope you have a great weekend. I'll see you in the next video, and God bless.